Do you know how to say, wow, you're so beautiful in Chinese? We say, 你真漂亮啊. See that last word, it doesn't have a fixed meaning on its own. It's called a mood particle, and it's what makes the whole sentence come alive. Here are 4 ways to use it. First, at the end of an exclamation, makes the feeling stronger. 你真漂亮. That's just a statement. 你真漂亮啊. Now it feels like, wow, you're so beautiful. Or 今天天气真好啊. What a beautiful day. Second, at the end of a statement, can show that you are reacting, like agreeing, realizing, or subtly getting it. 你说的有道理啊. Oh, you've got a point. 原来是这样啊. So that's how it is. It makes you sound warm, not flat. Third, after an imperative, adds urgency, care, or emotion. So it sounds like you really mean it. Like, 小心啊, be careful, 快点啊, hurry up, 你一定要来啊, make sure you come. Fourth, at the end of a question, often makes it sound more casual and friendly, not like an interrogation. 你去哪儿啊? Where are you going? 他什么时候来啊? So when is he coming? So that's it can help you exclaim, react, urge, and soften your tone. Oh, and one secret, you may also see ya, wa, or na at the end of a sentence. No worries, they are often just changing its sound because of the word before it. So why does it change? When does it change? Follow Mia Mandarin. I'll show you next time.